What can I do to calm down the male dog when the female dog is in heat?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that might be challenging for many dog owners out there. How to calm down a male dog when a female dog is in heat. This can be a stressful time for both dogs and owners alike, but there are strategies you can use to manage the situation more effectively.
What happens when a female dog is in heat?
When a female dog is in heat, she goes through a reproductive cycle that makes her attractive to male dogs. This cycle, known as the estrous cycle, can cause a lot of stress and anxiety for male dogs, especially if they are unable to mate. They can become restless, distracted, and potentially aggressive. Therefore, it's important to know how to calm them down during this period.
How can I distract my male dog?
Distracting your male dog is one of the best strategies to keep him calm. This could include increased play and exercise. More physical activities like running, playing fetch, or even doggy play dates can help to tire out your dog and reduce his anxiety. Mental stimulation. Use puzzle toys or practice training exercises to keep his mind occupied.
Should I separate the dogs?
In many cases, it might be a good idea to separate the male and female dog. This doesn't mean you need to keep them apart entirely, but create a buffer zone so the male dog isn't constantly stressed out by the female's scent. A temporary partition or different rooms could be beneficial.
Can I use calming products?
Yes, you can consider using calming products. These might include calming sprays or diffusers. These are products that release calming pheromones that can help soothe your male dog. Anxiety wraps. These work like a constant hug for dogs, helping them to feel secure. Calming treats. These are treats that have been formulated with ingredients known to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety.
Should I consult a vet?
If your male dog is particularly stressed or acting out of character, it may be a good idea to consult your veterinarian. They can provide professional advice tailored to your dog's needs and potentially prescribe medications to help manage the situation. The estrous cycle is a natural part of a female dog's life, and while it can be a stressful time for male dogs, it's important to remember that it's only temporary. With the right techniques and tools, you can help your male dog remain calm and relaxed during this period. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay calm and keep those tails wagging.